everyone. Thank you for joining me today on Stacy's Country Cooking. I am going to fix something that my mom used to fix us when we was kids. It's a 2 ingredients. It's called fried bread, and we used to have it with fried bread and eggs. We would fry eggs with it. She used to fix it for us, and we loved it. This is going to go with Frugal Farmer's idea to make something that will spread out. You can make different things with this. So I just want to show you something my mom used to fix us when we was kids. Thank you, Mom. I love you. Okay, to get started, you want some self-rising flour. Just whisk it up some, break up, or you can sift it. And then you just need some water. You slowly add in and mix together. And you want it like a pancake consistency, pancake batter consistency. And get all the lumps out. Maybe just a little bit more water. Okay, to the skillet, you want to add some cooking oil. Okay. You can tell it's hot. It's got little ripples in it. So I'm going to add my batter to it. You want it to spread out. Now I want to add some more oil. I want to thin this out a little bit. We'll make it a sweet version now. You just kind of want to drizzle it. Now on this one, we're going to sprinkle a little cinnamon and sugar on it while it's still warm. And there's a sweet version. Cinnamon and sugar. With that one. Okay, on this one, we're going to do the same thing as the last one. Spread it out. on this one, when it gets done, we're gonna sprinkle some powdered sugar on this one. Makes it taste like a funnel cake. This is so neat how you can use 2 ingredients and make this fried bread, and it tastes delicious in so many different ways. Thank you, Mom, for fixing this for us when we was kids. We loved it. Love you, Mom. Thank you.